Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku on LG TV. Let's go. Connect your Roku device to the power supply and to the LG TV via HDMI. If your TV does not support HDMI, use an adapter. Wait. If you are not logged in, you will need to select the language, time, Wi-Fi and log into your Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku on LG TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.